What's up, guys? This is just a quick overview of the changes I've made to the latest version of Artnet to Twinkly. Currently, the latest release is 3.13.5.1. I'm working on a couple of small things in this one you've seen here, but I'm not going over those features in this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to enable web server. And to be clear, this already existed. So put that back where it was. My screen docked properly. Now this auto reloaded on this side because that's my IP address. See. Now from this page, you can pick a device. So I'm going to pick Garage Front All, select device, and you see it's selected. So with that selected, I'm going to go in and say I want to manually select 1 to 500 on that. Live select. So we are now on live output, and manual range is, as you can see, 1 to 500. Also the manual range now will refresh for you so it doesn't go away. So now let's go ahead and put the whole thing in test mode and see what happens. So now that window closed, we're in test mode. And as you can see, it goes back and forth. So now I can select a different device, say columns. So the idea is you're going to do this from your phone, right? As long as you're on the same Wi-Fi. And just, you can live output while you're outside so you can see, like, you know, if lights are working properly. All right. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it. It's just a bunch of changes to this. That's all I got. John out.